Okay, in this article, what we will learn is how to enroll um, iOS devices via Apple School Manager to Mobile Guardian. What we will cover in this article is how to download the public key from Mobile Guardian, creating an MDM server on Apple School Manager, how to upload the DEP token to Mobile Guardian, adding devices to the MDM server, syncing devices to your Mobile Guardian dashboard, and then, of course, the final device enrollment. First thing we're going to do is to download a key from Mobile Guardian and then upload it to Apple School Manager. So the first step in this process is to log into your Mobile Guardian dashboard. Once in your Mobile Guardian dashboard, you would need to go to Settings. Okay. Once in the Settings menu, you'd go to iOS MDM Settings. In iOS MDM Settings, you will go to the bottom of the screen where it says Apple Device Enrollment Program. In the Apple Device Enrollment Program, there are 4 steps. The first step says download your public key. So we'll be clicking on the blue hyperlink, which will download the public key. Clicking on that, and then the download happens. And then we will proceed to the next step. As per the previous step, we just downloaded the Mobile Guardian public key, which we will now then upload to the Apple School Manager to get the DEP token to upload to Mobile Guardian. To proceed with this setup, we would need to go to Apple School Manager and then log into Apple School Manager with the admin account. When logging into Apple School Manager, for the first time, it may ask you, do you trust this computer? And thereafter, it should ask you for a OTP code once logging in. But if you have logged into Apple School Manager before, it will log you directly into the Apple School Manager platform. Once logged into Apple School Manager, you will click in on the login user's name and then click on Preferences. Once in Preferences, you will get the MDM Server assignment. Click on MDM Server assignment and then proceed to Add MDM Server. Once you click on Add MDM Server, it will allow you to enter MDM Server. Preferably, this would be the name of the school you're working on. In this case, we'll just call it GSE. And then below, you will see this MDM server setting. This is where you upload the public key that you downloaded from Mobile Guardian. You will click on Choose File. Once clicking on Choose File, you will select the Mobile Guardian certificate, which should be in your download folder. And then click on Open. It will automatically upload that certificate. Then click on Save. Once you click on Save, all your settings will save. Then Apple School Manager will give you the option to download your DEP token. Click on Download, confirm the download, and watch the token download. Once we've downloaded the DEP token from Apple School Manager, the next step is to go back to Mobile Guardian, to Settings, iOS MDM Settings, back down to the Apple Device Enrollment Program. Before we upload the server token, we'll go through what's available in the Device Enrollment Program. Allow pairing, we always advise to enable this. This allows a device to pair with, for example, a MacBook or Apple configurator. But in case the device gets stuck, you're welcome to reset the device via Apple configurator. The devices should all be supervised, as this would give full control of the device. Multi-users is there if you're using multiple users on one device, and each user will get a login. The mandatory field, that is for the user to skip applying the profile, which we don't want. We want the profile to be applied, so therefore we leave that disabled. The last step is allow the removal of the MDM. This will allow the end user to remove the MDM from the device. We would advise that that be disabled. And then below the show these screens will appear on the setup page. This is optional. You can select it as you please. Passcode, location, Apple ID, which you'd like to be loaded on the setup screen. Then the 4 steps we kind of completed on Apple School Manager. The last step is to upload the server token by clicking on upload. In your download, you will have the token over there. You click on the token, click on open, and then the token will upload. The upload is now successful. And then once the token is uploaded, you will see the option for resyncing devices, resync users, resync roster, update settings, and of course, clear the server token would clear the token completely. Once you've added the DEP token to your Mobile Guardian dashboard, we will now proceed on adding devices to the MDM server. For that, we need to then log into your Apple School Manager if it logged you out, and then we have to go to devices. Okay, once in devices, you will see there are unassigned devices. You can assign a device individually to a MDM server, or you can bulk assign by clicking Control on Windows and Command on a Mac, and then selecting more than one device. Once you selected the device in question, you can click on the Edit MDM server, then click on Assign to the following MDM, and then select your MDM or school of choice, and then click on Continue. Once you click on Continue, a confirm message will come up. You can click on Confirm. Okay. You will see in the bottom right corner, it will confirm and give you the confirmation once it has been completed. Once this process has been completed, we will be moving on to your Mobile Guardian dashboard. Once we add the device to the MDM server, we need to come back to the Mobile Guardian dashboard, where we uploaded the DEP token previously in the iOS MDM settings, and then we have to click on the Resync button. Once you click on the Reset button, bar will load at the top. Once the sync is completed, you will get a DEP device sync completed, and then you can click on the Device tab. Once you click on the Device tab, the assigned device will then appear. If you assign multiple devices, then all the devices will appear in the screen. And then that's part of your enrollment. The second part will follow next. Once a device has been synced over from ASM to your Mobile Guardian dashboard, the device will appear partially enrolled. The next step on your device is to go to Settings. Once in Settings, you go to General. In General, you go to Transfer Reset iPad. Then right at the bottom, you'll get Erase All Contents and Settings. You click on Erase All Contents and Settings, and the device will proceed to reset. Once the device has been reset, we will proceed to the final steps. The device will then go to the home screen. On the home screen, you will proceed as normal with setting up the device. And then once the device has been set up and you connect to the Wi-Fi, it will pull the remote management through, and then of course pull Mobile Guardian through. Once this has been completed, on your Mobile Guardian dashboard, shown in the top right corner, you will see the device will now be fully enrolled. And then on the device, once the setup is complete, it will automatically install the Mobile Guardian app, and that is your Mobile Guardian setup completed. Once the device has been reset, we will proceed to the final steps. The device will then go to the home screen. On the home screen, you will proceed as normal with setting up the device. And then once the device has been set up and you connect to the Wi-Fi, it will pull the remote